This video will show you 11 important steps to take to help stop the spread of coronavirus 19, which is formally known as severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. Evidence shows that this coronavirus 19 is different from the coronavirus disease in 2002 to 2003. This form may spread more easily and cause life-threatening illness in some people. Although it can survive in the air up to 3 hours and on hard surfaces for up to 72 hours, it multiplies faster in the body. People can pass the virus on even if they never get any symptoms. It may be a while before we see the way of life we were used to again. Life has changed. People are practicing self-isolation, businesses are closed. Testing sites have popped up. People are avoiding venturing out in public. People wear masks and gloves when they go out. The economy has been affected and food has decreased. Antiviral chemicals are sprayed in public. Public transportation has decreased. Items as gloves, masks, hand sanitizer and even toilet paper and paper towels are scarce. There are 11 easy things you can do to help prevent the spread of the virus. Wash your hands frequently. Use warm water and soap and washing vigorously for at least 20 seconds. Use hand sanitizer when you cannot wash with soap and water. Avoid touching any part of your face, mouth, nose, eyes and avoid biting your fingernails. With the virus living for up to 72 hours on hard surfaces, if you touch a doorknob, gas pump handle, etc., you can get the virus on your hands. Stop shaking hands and hugging people. Skin-to-skin contact can pass the virus from one person to another. Don't share personal items as eating utensils and straws. Other items, to only mention a few, are cell phones, makeup, and combs. Cover your nose and mouth when you cough or sneeze. High concentrations of the virus are located in the nose and mouth and are carried by air droplets when someone coughs or sneezes. The droplets are capable of remaining 3 hours in the air and 3 days when landing on hard surfaces. Clean and disinfect surfaces. Use an alcohol-based disinfectant to clean hard surfaces. Use white vinegar or hydrogen peroxide solutions for general cleaning between disinfecting surfaces. Practice social distancing seriously. This means staying at home to work remotely if possible, and, when out in public, keep 6 feet from other people. The virus can be transmitted by speaking to someone in close proximity to you. Do not gather in groups. Being in a group means a higher chance of closer contact with someone. Avoid eating or drinking in public places. This includes restaurants, coffee shops, bars, and other eateries. The virus can be transmitted through food, utensils, dishes, cups and glasses. It may also be airborne from other people in the venue. Soak and wash off all raw, whole fruits and vegetables. Let dry before putting them away in your fridge or cupboards. Wash your hands before and after handling fresh produce. Self-quarantine if you are sick. Call your doctor if you have any symptoms. Stay home until you recover. Avoid any contact with your loved ones even if they live in the same house. Wear a mask and wash your hands as much as possible. If you need urgent medical care, wear a mask and let them know you may have COVID-19. By practicing these important steps, I am sure we as a human race can slow the spread of SARS coronavirus 2. If everyone around the world participates in these practices, it will provide scientists the time needed to combat this virus. For now, be safe and take care of yourself and loved ones.